Today we're in Star, Idaho at the Heron River subdivision looking at one of Core Building Company's beautiful homes. This one is just under 2,400 square feet. It features 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The home has lots of light with plenty of windows. The fireplace has a beautiful stone surround. Lovely details on the ceiling. The kitchen features a well-designed bar area with cabinetry and a built-in drinks refrigerator. And it has a farmhouse sink, double ovens, 6-burner gas range, and a microwave built into the pantry. There's a drop zone for your jackets and bags just inside the door to the garage. Beautiful flooring throughout the home. Here's the master bedroom with shiplap paneling. And the master bathroom has double sinks, walk-in closet, separate shower stall, and a standalone bathtub. The laundry room has plenty of space. There's a big laundry sink. One of the bedrooms could be used as a study, as they've done here in the staging. And there are 2 more bedrooms to complete the home layout. The second bathroom features double sinks and a separate toilet and shower stall. Finally, there are 3 garage bays. This is a very generously sized garage. And in back is a really big patio.